Hey everybody, welcome back to Cafe Chronicles. Today we're going to take a look at mounting the seat. We're going to take a look at welding the hoop on the bike, and we're going to have a look at how we can put some stability here. There's 6 mounting holes here in the back of the seat, so we're going to have a look to see what kind of clever thing we can do to get them in place. So I stopped off at Metal Supermarket a little bit earlier on, picked up some materials. I'll show you what I got, and yeah, and kind of show you what I've got planned. I picked up about 6 feet of this, and this here is 1/8 thickness. It's just bright mild steel or cold rolled. This is going to be what I'll use to brace in between the frame. It'll give stability to the frame. Also, it's not too heavy. Also, I'll be using it to fasten the seat. So I've got a few ideas, which I will show you guys what I'm kind of looking at. Also, I picked up a sheet of 16 gauge. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Oop. But it's basically a sheet of 16 gauge sheet metal. So I'm kind of thinking that I might use that to cover some of the blind sides under the seat, because that tough, what do they call it, tough side seat, it's lovely, but they put a fabric underneath to kind of finish it. It looks beautiful, but the problem is, you know, if there's any wet or anything like that, that's just going to become a mess underneath there. So that was on the original bike. There's this little guard here, and basically that went it went in front of the back wheel. So I should probably show you guys rather than try to explain it here. So the idea with this is that it actually goes underneath here like that. So that's great, and it definitely will help to shield some of the wet and crap if we're driving in the wet. However, there's still, you know, I still am not 100% comfortable with leaving, say, this area out here bare, you know, because as the wheel spins around and that, I want to put a guard underneath there, but you know, that there will just get lots of crap and dirt up under it. And if we take a look at the seat, like I said, it's a lovely finish on it. It's this fabric, but that's going to be an absolute mess. It's going to be like a soggy sock within 10 seconds on a wet day, you know. So I think we need to put something under here at least that's going to help kind of make that a little bit better. So that's all we've got time for today. We've covered quite a lot. There's a lot of thinking we still have to do around how we're going to get the seat really on there, how we're going to secure the tank on there too, and how to do it all without interfering with the battery cage. We've got it to a stage where we've got the hoop welded on, and we know what work we have cut out for us. So probably our next step is going to be securing that tank down. So making sure there's a way that we can strap the tank down. As I mentioned earlier on, the old CB750, the seat used to actually hold down the tank. So because we've changed out the tank, or the seat I should say, for a new cafe seat or brat seat, it means it doesn't hold the tank the way the old seat did. So we have to think about that a little bit, and we have to maybe build a little bit of a bracket. We'll have a look at doing that next time. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and we'll see you again soon.